You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is 50 smaller than 100. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 7x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is 50 smaller than 100.